Eyes are super handy when you're driving, but they don't come with inbuilt footage recorders. So until you can plug a video camera into your eyeballs, maybe it's time to get a dash camera. So here's how to install a dash cam in 2 easy steps. The difficulty of this task ranges from easy to super easy. To get the job done, you'll need your choice of dash camera, a clean cloth and some wax and grease remover. That's it. Step 1. Mounting your camera. Remember, your dash camera is legal across all states of Australia and New Zealand as long as it doesn't obstruct your view. To ensure a clear view for you and the camera, behind the rear view mirror is perfect. If you've chosen a model with a rear-facing cabin camera, just ensure the mirror won't obscure the lens. Also, ensure the windscreen wipers will clear the rain where your camera's mounted. As relaxing as it sounds, a 3-hour video of raindrops on a window is not our aim here. Whether you're using a suction cup or adhesive mount, give your chosen area a wipe with the clean cloth soaked in wax and grease remover. And that dash cam isn't going anywhere soon. Step 2. Wiring your camera. Hang on, I'm not an auto electrician, you say? But relax, this may be the easiest wiring you ever do. Plug your camera in and route the wire across the top of the windscreen, tucking it into the headliner. Tuck it behind the A-pillar, along underneath the dash, and across to your 12-volt socket. Done! Your camera will power up and shut off with your vehicle ignition. But where do you plug in your phone charger? Well, if you want to keep your 12-volt socket free, you'll need to do this next bit. It's a bit trickier, but not too much. We'll call it Step 2B. You'll need an optional hard wiring kit and a test light. Screwdrivers, long nose pliers, spanners and trim removers may be handy as well. The hard wiring kit replaces the wires that came with your camera. Plug in your camera, run the wire as before, but this time head for your fuse block. This is where the tools may come in handy for removing trim. Find a good earth point under your dash and clip your test light onto this. Bare metal is best, and a nut, bolt or the dash frame itself is usually perfect. Now, probe the tiny bared metal patches on top of your fuses until the test light illuminates. Then all you must do is pop that fuse out, choose an adapter to match your fuse, poke the original fuse into this, slot that in, and attach the negative terminal of your hard wire kit to an earth point. Your camera now has constant power. An inbuilt voltage cutoff will protect your battery, and the dash camera will continue to operate in the background as you drive. Now, not only will you feel super safe, your mates will believe you next time you see something weird while you're out driving. Like that UFO. Find detailed instructions and more videos to help you make it super at Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.